literally all the sounds in the world want to start when they know I'm about to record. Really? The airplane? There's a motorcycle going by? This bird chirping? Like, come on, y'all. Really? Can I get to my video? Hey you guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been on here, but I have been so busy with things. But I'm ready to get back in the groove of recording. And you know, sometimes we just all need a break. You know, as influencers, we're doing this all the time, making video. Here goes the sounds, y'all. Just bear with me because it's outside, I'm in my room, so there's gonna be noises, okay? Today, I'm actually gonna be doing the Olaplex treatment, and I do have a video on using this already, but my hair, when I tell you, last week, I literally like re-wet it 3 times, try to redo, you know, how we, like, if we have a bad hair day, we try and like re-wet and restyle. No, none of that worked. And I was like, what is going on with my hair? Literally, like, the last good hair that I had was when I got my hair cut. And it was after, like, they styled it, I went home and styled it myself a few days later, and it did fine. But now that routine is not working. So you already know we got to go through our products, figure out what works. So anyway, I'm going to do an Olaplex treatment. For those of you who don't know, Olaplex is a bond builder, and I am a licensed cosmetologist, so I can use the number 1 and number 2, but today I'm going to be using the number 3, so you all can see how it does, and this is the one that you all can get as customers on the market. So it's a bond builder, and what it does is it helps repair your hair and get it back to its natural state. The environment can, you know, just being in the sun can tear up your hair, color, heat, anything. So you all know my hair is virgin, but I just want to make sure that my hair is healthy. So why not just give it a little bit of love and, you know, get this Olaplex treatment in there. So the directions say right here, use before shampooing. This is not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. Directions of use 1 time per week for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on towel, dry, damp hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until it's saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair, shampoo, conditioning, and you know, you can style or whatever. So Olaplex is for all hair types, straight, wavy, curly, whatever you are, you can use. I've used it a little bit in my color. When I have my clients, I put Olaplex in there a little bit to help with the bond building. So I just want to give a try on my hair again because I haven't done one since I think that last video, but I want to get back to, my curls haven't been as defined, so I'm hoping that I get that with this. So my hair's been wet for 3 days. Let me just show y'all what we are working with. It is still wet from the other day. Literally, I don't understand. Okay, so it's flaking. We got flakes. We have, I don't even know what's going on. Okay, well, I guess the flakes aren't too bad, but see right there, that gel, y'all. Yep, we got some flakes going on. So I'm gonna go wet my hair down, don't wash it, and then I'll be back and apply the Olaplex. So I'll see y'all there. Alright, you all, so I'm back from rinsing my hair. I did end up putting a little bit of the Curl No Poo at my root just to get that edge control off and some of that gel out, because you don't want any buildup when you do this treatment. I'm just gonna comb through. God, I can already just see that it's gonna be tangled. Going to wring out a little bit more water. think that's good. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Olaplex. Oh, we got a lid on it, okay? It's very slick feeling. And Hi Felicia suggests that you 2-strand twist it in to encourage the curl and just help it all stay in. And I will link her video below. Y'all, I meant to brush this through. Oh well, I'll do it on this next one. As you can see, I'm just going to continue working section by section with the Olaplex in my hair. Alright, so I have all my hair twisted up, and now I'm going to apply my shower cap, and I think I'm going to leave it on for 15 minutes. Alright you all, so I've already rinsed out my Olaplex and I did style. I used the Curls Blueberry Bliss Leave-In and Bounce Curl Gel, and I'm literally like amazed at my results from this Olaplex treatment, because when I tell you, like, these curls up here would not like coil. I don't know if it's because the cut, like my hair's never been in this shape when I was younger, and my hair was always like that side part, and so I think like it was confused, but like literally all my curls are loving this. I'm just amazed at like the definition I got down here, because my hair down here has not been defined at all, and like I can just tell like my elasticity is back. It was not like bouncing back like that for months. This side still has some work. You know, our hair, one side always curls better, so this is my good side. But this side, we're getting there. You can see like this one is like, yes, we will get there. It's gonna take time, but it's all a process, and you have to be patient with these things because your hair can change like with medication or with the environment, the seasons. So like this routine I haven't done since maybe last year. This was my go-to last January, so I just had to try it again, and I love it, and I love my Olaplex results. I'm going to be doing this once a week now, what it suggests on the bottle, and that's what Hi Felicia does. So I'm just going to give it a go. I'm to the point where I just want my curls to be defined again like they used to be. So yeah, I will keep you all updated with that. If you all want to know more, let me know, definitely. But yeah, I think for me it's important to show you every part of my journey that I've been on, because you just never know, like someone could be going through the same thing, you know, texture changes, and you know, that's what I've been experiencing. And it's very hard because, you know, I thought I had it down, and then in a blink of an eye your texture can just switch right up, and it's something I was very self-conscious about because I love tight curls, and my curls were so tight. Even if you go back to some of my first YouTube video, you'll see like every curl was like that's what I'm saying down here. Like I can tell it's super tight, like how it used to be, because the ringlet would like all the way like this one from like it would curl like that, and I haven't got that in months, you guys. So I just think maybe there's something that's off, but as you can see, they are coming back slowly but surely. But now when I had my long hair, I never appreciated how tight the curls were because I never had volume. Now that I have volume, I want definition. So, you know, you just gotta think like you can never, you know, just have both. I mean, if you're lucky, you can, but like it's usually one or the other. So I'm glad you all can be on this journey with me, and if anyone is going through what I'm going through, let me know and we can get through it together. Alright, you all, so that's all for this video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.